Baiden Mitten is an at-home exfoliation tool capable of delivering exfoliation so deep, it rivals the results achieved by expensive microdermabrasion salon treatments. However, to get the best results, you need to use the mitten the way it was designed to be used. The process is very simple. 1. Wash your body with some natural soap to wash off any oils, body butters, or cosmetics which would interfere with the exfoliation process. Hand wash your Baiden Mitten as well. We use some natural oils during the manufacture time to keep the fibers tangle-free. Rinse off your body and the mitten well. 2. Soak in a very warm bath or under a very warm shower 10 to 30 minutes to open the pores and loosen the dead skin layer. You can use Epsom or Himalayan salts in the bathtub, which will not only help with softening the dead skin layer, but will make your session a very relaxing experience as well. 3. Turn off the shower or stand up in the tub. Brush excess water off with your hand and wring out the mitten. Starting with your upper arm, scrub lightly side to side to roughen the dead skin layer, and then with slow, firm, deliberate strokes up and down. You will start seeing the dead skin cells balling up into long, thick, greasy strips. If you have purchased the Baiden Mitten system, use the Baiden Light on your face, Baiden Back Scrubber for your back, and Baiden Mitten Classic for everything else. It is also okay just to use the classic Baiden Mitten on the whole body, being gentle on the face. 4. Exfoliate your whole body without rinsing off. The sticky dead skin rolls will create a snowball effect and help to remove more impurities out of your pores. Your skin may also become quite red as the mitten delivers a very deep massage stimulating the blood flow to the capillaries. That will not only aid in toxin elimination, but also oxygenation of the whole body. Your skin will return to normal color shortly. 5. Rinse off and pat your body dry with a towel. Your skin is now very bare and clean, so make sure you use something natural and organic, such as cold-pressed olive oil or coconut oil, to nourish and protect it. Putting chemicals on your skin at this stage would only reverse all the good detoxing effect you just accomplished. 6. Enjoy your smooth, glowing complexion. Repeat the process every 1 to 2 weeks, and you will enjoy flawless, healthy, and beautiful skin for life.